All right, guys, going to recap the early morning from our chat room and hopefully have some trading lessons in here. This is for Monday, April 22nd. MLEC was on the gap playlist, gapped up, sold off, but didn't go down that far as it started to curl back up. I'm going to slide this down. Terrence make some great posts lately in the chat room. Gave the MLEC red to green with high of day at 311 and PM high 331. So that's what we talk about when we say stacked catalysts. And he puts them in the idea. I love that. So the red to green is back through the open right here, which is 297. So 298 was his entry idea, knowing that 311 was the early high, which is right here. It took that out and almost made a run at that 331 pre-market high, got to 325. But if you're a day trader, you understand this all happened in, what, 3-4 minutes? You get a nice percentage move in 3 or 4 minutes. You should be scaling some and protecting your entry on the rest, because on early trades, especially on the stock that everyone's trading, this can happen. I still love the idea, and as a day trade, that absolutely made sense. Terrence again on AGBA. So this was on the morning gap playlist. I'll probably switch to 5-minute candles here to give a better look, and I'll zoom in. So this was the opening 5-minute candle. Terrence said AGBA flagging under 65. The high of day is 66 and pre-market high 69. I got a screenshot of it actually. Right? And that's, by the way, shorthand for $1.65, 66, and 69. So the early high 66. So the implication was through that. And again, it took out the pre-market high of 69 pretty quick. Meandered for a little while, but ended up absolutely ripping, going all the way to 218 without ever coming back down and hitting the stop. So another great post by Terrence, and a good example of watching the stocks that are in play, right? And then we had TRSG, which was pretty thin, but Sahil posted, I like it over 95, but I do see a seller at 7, so not sure, right? This is the opening 5-minute candle. It topped at 695. This is just a simple red to green on the gap play, right? And absolutely ripped. Ended up halting and then going up to, what, 840. So if you got that 695 entry, went to 840, and actually holding up really well, by the way. Came back down, but holding up really well. May give another setup here. Anyway, red to greens on morning gappers is kind of a lesson from this morning. They can be pretty nice. Back in 2016, they were just money in the bank. Now with algos, you've got to be selective and be defensive and choose a little bit less reckless position size. Believe me, in 2016, 2017, I chose reckless position size and got away with it over and over and over. If you trade every day, you start to say, hey, you start to see some things aren't working, or they're working a lot less frequently, and then you just simply adjust with position size and sell more sooner as you scale out into the moves. But some great posts in chat today. I'm done babbling.